How to turn on or turn off widget suggestions for standby mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. So on the home screen, and to start standby mode, you want to make sure your phone is plugged into the charger and that you turn on standby mode. So you go into settings, and in settings, if you tap on standby, and in here, so we tap in standby, and in standby, make sure you turn it on. So in settings, standby, and make sure you turn it on. Once it is turned on, we can now plug the phone to a charger and then lock your phone and make sure it is in landscape mode. Once it is in landscape mode, then your phone will turn on standby mode. Now in this mode, you can touch and hold on the widget. Make sure you're on a widget screen because there are three different screens. We got the widget screen, the feature screen, and the clock screen. So make sure you are in the right screen. Once you are on the widget screen, touch and hold, and then tap on widget suggestions. So tap on it to turn it on or switch it off. Then tap on done, and that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off widget suggestions for standby mode. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.